Hello, what's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I will show you how to fix some features is not working on your Apple Watch. So on my hand this is Apple Watch Series 6 which has released last year. So this Apple Watch is running WatchOS 8.4.1 which is the latest one, but some features is not working on my Apple Watch. Actually there is a feature like if you double clutch your hand, then your call will be answered, and if you block your screen, then your call will be silent. So this feature is not working on my Apple Watch and I will show you how to fix this problem. Basically there is so many new features on WatchOS 8.4.1 and I have also updated my WatchOS 7 point something to WatchOS 8.4.1, but my feature on my watch some features is not working. Now I will show you how to fix this problem. So for this you have to go inside the settings and general. Here is the general, you can see here, and you have to scroll down and you will get this option. Now simply hit on erase all data and content, and before doing this process make sure your all data like health record is synced with your iCloud. Now you have to keep your Apple Watch on its charger because you are resetting your Apple Watch, so make sure Apple Watch is connected with charger. Now finally it's done, and now let's check the features is working or not. Okay, first for checking I will make a phone call. Here is the 7th Elizabeth. Okay, I'm calling and I will clutch my hand. Okay, see the features is working, but previously it didn't work perfectly. So thank you for watching guys, and if you like my video please share and subscribe, and I will come with another solution based video. And if you have any other problem related Apple Watch or iPhone, then please let me know in my comment section. I will obviously try to help you as much I can.